Good day everyone. We are the Group 4 and I'm Jezreel Balagtas together with my group mates, Miss Nemeros Cahalne, Mr. Jeric Mascarinya, Mr. Lebron Jan Kimora, and Mr. Kenneth Abayon. So in this video, we're going to present the interactive Excel dashboard tutorial. So, bibigyan ko muna kayo ng idea ano nga ba yung interactive Excel dashboards. So, interactive Excel dashboards in Excel help consolidate and visualize data in a user-friendly, dynamic format. So, unlike static reports, these dashboards allow users to interact with the data, making it easy to explore different aspects and gain deeper insights. So, proceed na tayo sa steps in creating our interactive dashboard in Excel. So, we have 6 steps here. So, yung step 1, yung planning our dashboard. Step 2, prepare our data that we need to use. Step 3, create pivot charts and graphs. Step 4, add interactivity with slicers and drop-downs. Step 5, assemble the dashboard. And last, step 6, we're going to test our dashboard. So, yung step 1 natin, planning our dashboard. So, before we begin our task in Excel, we need to take some time para magplano. So, we need to determine the purpose of our dashboard. Saan nga ba natin to gagamitin? And we need to identify the key metrics that we want to display. Ano yung mga data na kailangan nating i-display para sa mga audience natin. Siyempre, we need to think about our audience and what information they need to see. Maybe we can sketch a rough layout of our dashboard to visualize where different elements will go. Next, step 2, prepare your data. So, the foundation of any good dashboard is clean, well-organized data. Ensure your data is accurate and arranged in a structured format, such as a pivot table. Creating pivot tables in Excel makes it easier to manage and update your data and provides a solid base for creating charts and graphs. So, ito yung ano natin, yung mga data natin. So, gagawin muna natin siyang table. So, yung shortcut key para gawin natin siyang table is Control T. So, nakapag-create na tayo ng table.
Create a pivot charts and graphs. Visual elements are the heart of the dashboard. Use element build in chart option to create visual that represent your data. Some popular choices include bar charts, line charts, pie charts, and scatter pie. Follow the steps below to create all the charts required. Highlight the data you want to include in your pivot chart. Go to the Insert tab, choose your desired chart type, and insert it to the worksheet. Adjust colors, labels, and titles to make your chart clear and visualize appealing. Add interactivity with slicers and drop-downs. Interactivity makes your dashboard dynamic and user-friendly. Slicers and drop-downs allow user to filter and focus on the specific information. Click your table, go to the Insert tab, select Slicer, and choose the fields you want to filter by. Use data validation to create drop-down list, then go to the Data tab, select Data Validation, choose List, and input your options. Assemble the dashboard. Now, it's time to bring everything together. Arrange your charts, slicers, and other elements on a single sheet to create cohesive dashboard. In addition, Excel charts and slicers should be placed in a logical orders that flows well. Adjust the size of your charts and slicer to fit neatly on a sheet, and add borders and shading for the polished look. Test the dashboard. Once your dashboard is assembled, test it out. Click through the slicers and drop-downs to ensure everything is working correctly. Make your adjustment as needed to improve functionality and appearance. Also ensures all data connections and formulas are correct.